guys, so excuse my voice. I already got my brows on. They took me a minute this morning, and I had, so I'm actually going on my Snapchat right now to do the thing that you guys see me do. So good morning guys, so this is going to be my transformation today. I know my brows looking hella thick, but in a couple of seconds they're gonna be lit. Good morning guys, so this is going to be my transformation today. I know my brows looking hella thick, but in a couple of seconds they're gonna be lit. Alright you guys, so I won't be talking for this video because I'm actually educating myself about some stuff that, you know, because I'm at a different place in my weight loss journey. So I've been doing some researches on YouTube, on the internet. Now I'm just listening to YouTube because it's easier for me than having to read and do my makeup. And then when I'm on the road now, I can just pop out my phone and then just begin to read. Alright, so I know I look like I have a unibrow, but it'll all make sense in a second. Alright you guys, so I just want to say that I'll be trying out Your True Shade today. I use their translucent mousse, and this is actually a primer. Used it yesterday at church, but the church have AC, so it was good, but I'll give my full review on this. And I'll be using their mineral loose powder for the very first time, and this is in the color 106, I think. 106, I think. I just say 106 at the back, so I think. And then I'll be trying out their foundation, but their foundation, the mineral foundation, is too light for me, so I'll have to use it as a highlight and not as a foundation. It's too light for me. Alright, and for my foundation, I'll be using my 24-hour. So all these 4 things I'll be using on my face today, they are from Fontana Pharmacy. Fontana Pharmacy now carries Your True Shade. Whoa, whoa. And did I mention their Jamaican owned brand? Y'all, we doing the damn thing, y'all. Y'all like we is come on the road. Like all my Jamaican girl them and man them and people them a come cha. Come cha. Alright, let's go. Lego.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line, you pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother for me live out of ease.
Alright, so I'm actually going to just pause here and say that this foundation is thick, like hella thick. It's like a mousse. It's like a mousse consistency. It says mineral foundation, offering medium to full coverage. Our airless pump bottle ensures that all of the product is used, and it has an SPF of 15. Now I can see, like for the highlight, I love it for my highlight. Just want to blend out here. I love it for my highlight. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and as I say, it is very, very thick. And I'm in the color, I believe it's 106, I believe, because it has 106 on it. So I guess these two are the same. So I'm going in with this now, and this is the mineral loose powder, mineral loose foundation. Yeah, so if you don't have a lot of imperfections as I do like on my skin, you can use this just as a foundation because it says mineral foundation. So I'm going to use this to set my highlighted areas. Alright, so now I'm going to be using my shades by, you know what, no, I'm going to use my Black Opal Oil Absorbing Pressed Powder in Classic Espresso to put everywhere else. And I'm going to be laying down catch powder, and I'll be using this to lay as my catch powder as well.
Can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like me stuck in a traffic or me way behind cars.
Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Yeah. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching. Searching for my freedom, it's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting. Hurting, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother fi live in a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the cup of pray. Like say them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. We freed up the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say all the stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Know me, I wanna be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be, I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. Tell them so what, lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. Tell them, we beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. And see, every bone in my body. Tell them say God Almighty and my daddy. Me praise God like say that's my hobby. Never can't trick my virgin them neither me. Holy Spirit a dwell inside of me. Make Satan show up and think a five of me. I want real survivor me. Escape enemy choppy coming like say I'm a guy for me and me. Lyrics them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. One man, me no God a guide me. No one man, you fi try avoid me. Never can see my blessing and try rob me. Cause me beat them bad like Sly Robbie. Hold on there, oh me can't see no sign of the devil. Him a fi cut through bone finally. Me have the victory finally. So our shadows of the field fi show up in my valley. Cause lyrics them a beat them bad.
Alright, so for my lips I'll be wearing Passion, and it's from Your True Shade as well. It says this pink color is pretty, right? It says it's matte. It's a matte lip lacquer. Alright, so that's one coat. It's a really rich pink. It's not like a light pink.
We not stop different God, not switch and we not serve a different God. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. All of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the both evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul is not for sale. So Satan can't even stop for heal. Me are the head and not the tail. For me the boat evil will not prevail. Now sell out my soul, it's not for sale. Me lyrics, me live it, me spit it. And my lyrics, them a beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. We not stop different, God not switch. And we not serve a different God turn them. We beat and we beat them bad. Every song we put on a beat them bad. Listen, all of you beat them bad. Every tune you put out a street them bad. And save every bone in my body. Tell them